Today I am going to explain conversion of measurement. For conversion of measurement, these materials are required. What are these materials? Everybody 1 kg 1000 gram, 1 liter 1000 milliliter, 1 kilometer 1000 meter, and so on. Now, if you have to remove decimal, in division decimal moves left side. In multiplication decimal moves right side. Very important thing. Anywhere if you have to move your decimal, don't be confused. In division decimal moves left side, multiplication decimal moves right side. Now, conversion first part, there are two types of conversion: larger unit to smaller unit, smaller unit to larger unit. Larger unit to smaller units, make up your mind. Only one thing you have to do, that is multiply. Now these are the relation, these 2 points, how to remove decimals. Now see children, be careful what is in your question and what you have to find in your answer. Now see, centimeter, here is millimeter. First of all, be sure this is larger to smaller or smaller to larger. So centimeter is bigger than millimeter. So this conversion is bigger to smaller, larger to smaller. That means we have to do multiplication. Now this is 5 centimeter. First you have to find how many centimeter in 5, and this is 0.3. So bigger to smaller you have to multiply. So what to do? 5.3 multiply by 10. Multiply by 10. And now all of you know multiplication of decimal, if you have to multiply by 10, in 10 1 0. So, and in multiplication decimal moves right side. So now this decimal will move right side. So you have to show like this. Now decimal will come here. So this will be 53. So this will be 53 millimeter. Right children? Now see this, centimeter and millimeter. There are 2 units. Here only 1 unit. So together you have to find how many millimeter. Here you have to separate this number in centimeter and millimeter. So this is 10 whole, matlab 10 full centimeter. So no need to be confused, this is 10. Now what left? 0.8. In 0.8 how many millimeter? So again 0.8 centimeter, that means centimeter to millimeter. Again you have to multiply 0.8 into 10. So this will be 1 digit this side. So now this will be 8 millimeter, right? So in next question, 5.008 kg. Here only 1, just like 1. If you have to convert into 1 unit, direct 5.008 multiply by kg to gram, means multiply. Now what is the relation of kg and gram? This is 1000. So multiply by 1000 gram. Now see, if 1 2 3, and all of you know multiplication, decimal place will move right side. 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. Now decimal will come here. So you can show this. Now what will be answer? 5008. Decimal place is here, and after decimal nothing, so no need to write your decimal. So this will be 8 gram. Now 2.5 kilometer, 2 units means kilometer and meter you have to separate, and this is 2.5 kilometer, 2 kilometer and 0.5 kilometer. So 2 kilometer, this is whole, so we write here 2 kilometer. Now what left? 0.5 kilometer. For this kilometer to meter, so 0.5 and kilometer meter relation 1000 meter. So this multiply by 1000, multiply by 1000 meter. Now you have, all of you know, point is here, 3 digit, you have to move 3 digit right side. 1 2 3. Now decimal is here, 2 place blank, so you have to fill. Now this will be 500 meter, so this will be 2.5. So children, 0.5 means half, so this is 1 kilometer 1000 meter, 0.5 means half kilometer, half kilometer means 500 meter. So you can show this in this way. Okay, thank you.